y'all? It's your girl Coco Nicole and welcome back to my channel. And in this video I'm going to be doing these crochet Yankee twists. Aren't they so cute, y'all? So I'm going to be breaking it down from start to finish, and if you guys want to see how I had completed this look, then just keep on watching. I got you. Let's go ahead and get started, you guys. So I had did my foundation braids and they kind of ate. Let me know if you guys want to see a tutorial. I did like a snake design, then I crocheted the tail, and then in the front I kind of like fed the ends into one another, and then I crocheted that, and then I used this three-way mirror to get like those parts right. And I also used my Fenty here edge control to make everything look neat too. So here's the hair. I had did a apple cider vinegar wash the day before, and then it's this really cute twist, you guys. It looks like a curl. Comes with these cute colorful cuffs and a crochet needle. And now your girl is about to get started with the first bundle. So I'm gonna start with the back with the hook open. I'm gonna hook that open loop onto it, and then I'm gonna close it with my pointer finger, pull it through. I'm gonna open the hook back up and then hook the end of the twist onto it, close it, pull it back through that loop, and then I'm gonna secure it, you guys. So it seems tricky at first, but it is pretty easy, you guys. And then I'm gonna like space like 2 fingers in between because the back does fill up pretty fast. So once again, I'm feeding that needle through, and then I'm going to hook the end of the twist onto it, close it, and then pull it through and to secure it onto my braid. And so I'm just gonna do these 3 twists in the back, and then I'm just gonna stop there. I did like 2 fingers in between each twist. That's how I'm going to do the back for the most part. So I just want to show you that if the loop is small, you can kind of like stretch it to make it bigger. And now I'm moving up to that second row. You know, with that hook open, I slide it under my braid, pull the loop through, unhook it, and then hook on the end of the twist, pull that through the loop, and then I'm going to secure it. So I'm almost done with the back, but I noticed that it was kind of like a little bit of like a gap on the sides there. So I'm just kind of going back to fill that in. I'm not sure if this is even going to matter, you know, later on. But you know, because it does get pretty full later on once I had started on the front. But I just added just a few more braids to the side so that didn't look so open and bare right there. At this point, the back is looking pretty full. Now I am towards the top, and I apologize if you guys can't really see it that well. I probably should have brought my camera up a little bit higher, but I'm at like that very top braid, and then I'm trying to be sure to kind of make the braids a little bit or make the twist like more closer together to give the illusion that it's more full. So that's what I'm doing here at the very top, and it looks pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it at this point. And now I'm gonna move on onto the front. So now I'm at the front, and you want to be sure to you know, start towards like the front of your braid, because at the front it's pretty important to make them closer together. So I'm not like, you know, making any gaps in between them. I'm going to put the twists pretty close to one another. I'm going to do that so that it doesn't look like gappy and that it looks more full, because in the front, you know, you want it to be, you know, more foolproof. It's easier to see like more gaps, and you know, it doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be like, you know, perfectly like a line. People are gonna notice crochet. If people know crochet here, they're gonna know. But I was just sure to bring them closer together. And even like those connector braids, like in the beginning, when I said that I fed like the ends into one another, I made sure to hook some hair onto those braids as well. And then here I'm just adding another twist to the front. I felt like I needed like another twist there. So I had did that, and then I was done with that first row in the front here. So I'm moving on to the next row. And yeah, you guys, you just want to just make sure that you're starting off towards like, you know, the closest as you can to the front of your hair to make it look natural and to make it look full. As the young kids say, you don't want anybody to clock your tea. You know, you don't want anyone to call you out, so you have to make it look close together. And like I was saying earlier, I made sure to crochet the hair to those like connector braids, like when I had fed it in, and just so that it doesn't, you know, show through it or anything. And that's why I was saying earlier, like I probably didn't need to add like those extra twists onto the end for this particular reason, because it covered it up. So your girl is almost done. Woo! So I'm on the opposite side of the hair. I'm on the last quadrant, and you know, I'm bringing it pretty close to like my edge right there, the crochet. And man, I probably haven't done crochet braids in like 2.5 years. I think like my last crochet video, I haven't done this in a while. So, you know, I don't feel like I was rusty. I don't know. I just felt like, I guess, you know, I just jumped like right back into it. So, you know, it gets kind of redundant, but I just wanted to show y'all, you know, how I did it, you know, but, you know, like my technique. But it's pretty simple. I feel like almost anyone could do this, you know. As they always say, practice makes perfect. And I don't know if y'all remember that song, Look at the Flick of the Wrist. That song kept on popping like in my head, because, you know, you definitely, you know, have to have that hook technique down. So, and I guess that kind of helped me, you know, stay focused when I was doing the crochet. So we are almost done. Your girl took a little breather. I'm working on that very last braid, and the process was going as planned. It was looking really good, and I'm just showing you guys how like I was placing that first twist to the front of my hair to make it look natural and to make it look full. And I didn't do like a specific technique like in the front. I think in like one of like my past videos, I had did like the invisible part kind of look. I just simply just used like the same technique. I didn't do any special with the front braids. And it just looks like really, really natural, y'all. Like at this point of me recording this, I've been wearing this for maybe like almost 2 weeks, and I've been getting like so many compliments, y'all, like at work, out and about. I've been getting many compliments on this style. I really do love how it had turned out, and it's really affordable too. I just want to point that out. So your girl is just using some more of the edge control to finish up my edges, and here is the completed look, y'all. It's giving like island girls, giving like video girl. I'm giving y'all like a little half up, half down option. And now I'm about to come on and give you guys my final thoughts. This is the completed look, you guys. I am loving it. It is so cute. It's so bouncy and springy. These curls, they're like a cross between like passion twists and Senegalese twist. So I guess that's why they call them Yankee twists. This look is giving like summers, definitely giving like summer vibes, even though it is totally October. But you know, I'm still loving it. I feel like this is a good color for my complexion, and I'm kind of feeling it to the side, y'all. I've been like loving like middle parts for like the last couple of years, but I'm really feeling this hairstyle to the side. I guess because of like the length. I can't believe that this is 10 inches. I was kind of going back and forth on what length to get. I'm so happy that I went with the 10 inches because it is like so natural looking. It's so cute. And I haven't even added like any product or anything to the hair. I do have some Lotta body foaming mousse, but I don't even feel like I even need to put anything in it. This is good to like tame like the frizz, to define the curls, and you know, it's good for like wraps and everything. And then I also had pulled out my Lotta body shine mist, so like if I want to like amp up the shine. And I also have the leave-in, the 5-in-1 leave-in from Lotta body. This will help with detangling it. It'll help with conditioning it. It'll help add moisture and shine. And it'll also help with like the frizz. And it also provides heat protection. So yeah, I love all 3 of these products. And I will link them down below, so you guys can grab these as well from Amazon. I guess I'll add a few of these like little hair jewels to it. It kind of just looks like curls, even though they are like twists. But I'll add just a couple of these because it is fun. And it's still like, you know, warm outside. It's still like really warm and summery. It took me like 2 hours to do the install. It took me maybe like an hour and a half to do like my foundation braid. So all together, 3.5 hours. And I had washed my hair and everything the day before. So I'm probably going to wear it for like a month. And then I'm going to, you know, see like what it looks like. And then go from there. Or I'll just go ahead and take it down. So yeah, I just added these little hair jewels real quick. In any kind of order. I might add maybe like some gold ones. But so it came with 8 packs. And I have like 2.5 left. So I guess it took like 5.5 packs for me to get this look. And it's pretty full, y'all. I think that it's pretty full. So yeah, it's definitely a great buy. I would definitely try it again. Maybe in like a different length. And maybe like a different color. But nonetheless, I'm loving the 10 inch. I'm glad that I had ended up getting this particular length. But yeah, it's kind of giving summer. Like my whole look is giving summer. But you can definitely rock this in the fall all year round if you wish. But let me know what y'all think about this install. I think that it came out really good. And definitely, like I said, you're gonna need, you know, to put like a little bit more here like in the front. In the back, it's not as important. You can do like the 2-finger rule, you know, with like the back, because the back does fill up pretty well. But in the front, it is important to put them closer together so that it looks full and everything, and it doesn't look too gappy. But I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, you guys. And until next time, take care.